Let's get on this spring summer transformation, shall we? I mean, guys, if you know me well, you know that spring is one of my favorite seasons. I mean, after a dreadful winter, guys, we finally get to enjoy some nice weather, some sun, and of course, I absolutely love sharing some home decor transformation with you guys. So let's just go ahead and get started. All right, you guys. So I was just thinking the other day, right? I was like, what would it like? How would it have been if we only had just one season in the year, right? And that season happened to be winter. Like, it would have been dreadful. Like somebody like me, I don't know if I would have survived it because like during winter, of course, you guys already know the drill. It's so gloomy, it's so dark, like it's depressing. But of course, once spring comes in, it's like life. It's like everywhere is green. The trees, starts coming out. It's like it's just I don't know. There's just something about spring that it's not just about the weather. It's about you being happy. It's about your emotional and your mental well-being. I just feel so excited once we get from that winter phase to spring. But anyways, you guys, I know I digressed. Of course, today's video is going to be all about home decorating, and as you guys can see, I went ahead and cleaned my staircase and also this kind of landing area for my staircase. I've actually been thinking of what to do to this area for as long as ever since we moved, right? And I was just thinking, like, that area is huge. This area you guys can see me cleaning the table on. It's like a landing area from upstairs to downstairs. So it's always been bare. So this spring I was like, you know what, let me add this table I used to have in the old house. This table, I used to have it in my kitchen, and when I added this table on this area right here, it fits perfectly. It was as if I bought that table for this area because the light, the light fixture I have above me, which you guys are going to see shortly, has a mixture of silver and black on it. So when I added this silver table, it was just chef keys. Like, it just blended so well with that area, and it made that area to not be so empty. So if you have an empty space in your home that you're thinking of what to do with or what to do with it, right, you can go ahead and add a table, decorate it nicely. As you guys can see, I just added my flower vase, my candle, my decorative book, and that area just turned out so beautifully. And another thing for me when it comes to spring, guys, is I don't know, I don't like doing the same decoration like in the whole spaces in my home. I love every space in my home to have different themes, right? So as you guys can see, we just walked on the staircase and it was more like a very nice colorful pink flower. That was what I added there. And then for my living room, I decided that I was keeping it very nice and rich in terms of the color. You guys know, like, when it comes to colors, green is such a beautiful color. It symbolizes life. It symbolizes, of course, green, the money green, right? So I was like thinking of what to do this spring for my living room, and I've always been in love with the way green looks in this space. So you know what, I decided to just decorate it with just a little touches of green. My plant is green, my decorative pillows are green. Of course, everything just ties in really well. And like I was saying, I love giving every space its own character. I don't like matching everything to be the same. Like, it's like when you move from your kitchen to your living room, it has to be a different color. When you move from your living room to maybe your family room, it has to be a different color. When you move from your family room to your bedroom, it has to be a different color. Like, it makes it really appetizing and very welcoming. That is to me. So as you guys can see, for the living room, I'm using kind of a mixture of white and green And I would say that pillow I just added before this green one is more like on the light blue side. So but they all just matched together. They looked really, really nice together. So of course we're proceeding to go ahead and decorate the coffee table. You guys know I love decorating my coffee table. Sometimes I love it busy, sometimes I love it sparse. So I was in the mood for like decking out the coffee table this time around. So I just went ahead, added some decorative piece, and absolutely love the way everything turned out. So now moving on to the rest of the spaces, we're gonna quickly vacuum the hallway. And as you guys can see, like one thing I've noticed with a white floor, right, is when you have dirt, right, it shows up so well, unlike if you have a darker floor. Even though you guys know me already, I'm such like a white lover. I love my white color. So even though sometimes like people do not see the dirt that I'm vacuuming, but let me tell you guys, the floors be so dirty that sometimes I don't even know why it doesn't pick up on camera. Like people, like you guys can see all the crumbs and things, you know, on the floor. But anyways guys, I'm going ahead to vacuum, like I said, the hallway and also this kind of a family room. And like I told you guys, I love to give each and every area of the house its own character. So once I'm done vacuuming, I will go ahead and start dusting. I mean, with spring is such a blessing, but also remember that when spring comes along, because of the fact that the doors, like you always have maybe people coming in and out, visitors, friends and things like that. And also once you open up your windows, you're opening up your windows to dust mites and all those things. So it's always very, very important, especially during spring. I mean, during winter, all the windows are closed, everything is locked in, right? Because of the cold outside, you don't want to bring in the cold from outside to inside. But during spring, the windows are open, so dust tends to settle on furnitures, you know, on surfaces. So going ahead to clean up like maybe your furnitures and things like that, even the mirrors, you know, sometimes when I'm standing like on the mirror, I could see like little bits of dust, you know, on the mirror. So going ahead to wipe everything down is always very, very important. And you guys already know me, I'm in love with Sprayway glass cleaner. That's like my favorite glass cleaner. Sprayway, guys, I mean, you know, I've been using Sprayway for years. All right, you guys, so for the foyer area, I'm going ahead to decorate it. Like I told you guys, the foyer, I'm leaving it very, very nice and neutral. So I added my black vase, I added this candle holder which is black, and that is basically it, guys. And of course my diffuser. So I kept the foyer area very, very simple but cute. So it's like black and white going on there. And also for the living room, as you guys can see, this part of the living room, I'm just leaving it with a mixture of black and white and gold. And yep guys, I know this is a very quick video, but yeah, home decorating, home transformation, I just love it. So I decided to share this with you guys today. I hope you guys, I don't know, have you guys already done, are you done with your spring decoration, with your spring cleaning? Definitely let me know. Of course, this is not just for the spring, this can also pass for summer. So if you missed out on spring cleaning and decorating, you can as well also go ahead and do it for summer. And of course, you guys already know that every single thing you see in my video is always linked in my description box and also on my LTK page. My LTK page is one stop you know, platform where you can shop every and anything you see on me, from my clothing to anything you see in my home that you love, definitely check the link in my description box, because it's going to have all the links you need to be able to shop whatever it is you're looking for. But yep, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Until my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.